What's going on, everybody? This is Nico Moreno here, and this is going to be an awesome, although very brief, video, just the actionable nuggets. So what I'm showing you is the exact type of post that made one of my clients $18,000 off of one, quote unquote, in her words, stupid little post. So this is what we call a cash flow post. So I'm going to show you how we use these cash flow posts to generate a ton of cash pretty quickly on Facebook. So literally, again, all she did was just post this specific type of post on Facebook. We've got a ton of different ones, but she used one very specific one that I'm going to reveal to you on this training, okay? And this is something that I give all my clients, this exact document. I'm not going to walk through the entire document because, again, this is kept privately for my clients. So point I want to drive home is there's absolutely no reason. There's so much opportunity online right now, like there is so much opportunity. There is zero reason why anyone needs to be struggling. Truly, I believe this is absolutely life-changing. And you can see right here, Kara made literally $18,000 from one simple, easy Facebook post that I'm going to show you right now. Cool. So here is the post. So there's a couple steps beforehand, and there's also definitely some follow-up strategies afterwards, after you make this post. However, like I said, this is a document that I give to all my clients. I'm not going to share the entire thing publicly, and I'm sure that you can understand that. However, I do want to give you a taste of what's possible and how simple it really is when you've got the right foundations in place and you also understand how to turn this sort of a post into a lot of money really fast. Let's get to it. This is called the mission post. So essentially what this is this is something, here's an example right here, I'll show you. Again, it's just like super simple. It's literally one sentence. And Kara did this exact thing and made 18 grand. It's like kind of crazy. But basically what the mission post is this is telling all the people on your Facebook profile and in your Facebook group, if you have a Facebook group. If you don't, that's okay. She literally just posted this on her wall. So what a mission post is it's basically asking for people, or it's essentially you saying, hey, this is my mission, this is my goal as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. So you're taking a very definitive stand, and people love that. People love confidence, someone who's taking a stand, and someone who knows what they're doing. So people just are naturally attracted to that. So right here, I'll show you my example, and then I'll kind of just walk through the elements of a good mission post. Again, it is really, really simple, and like you definitely don't want to overthink it. So don't allow yourself to overthink it. It is very simple. So right here, here's an example. I say it's my mission to help 10 coaches or consultants. Let me zoom in. 10 coaches and consultants generate at least $20,000 per month from their high-ticket coaching business in the next 3 months. Who's with me? Okay, so very simple post. Literally, that is the entire thing. No pictures, no nothing, just that. So you'll see that's a great example because for me, my target audience or the people that I typically help or work with are coaches, consultants, and who are people who either want to or they have a high-ticket coaching business. And I give a specific tangible result, $20,000 per month, within the next 3 months, right? So I give them a specific result, $20,000 per month, and within a specific time frame, so 3 months. Then I just ask who's with me. That's all. And then people raise their hand, they'll comment, they'll say, hell yeah, I'm in, I want to do that, right? So let's kind of walk through the elements of a good mission post. There's only a couple. So first thing is desire, right? So desire, you want to have a tangible outcome that your exact audience really desires. For me, it is $20,000 per month. Audience, who is my target audience? So for me, it's coaches and consultants, right? So it's very clear right there. So for you, you might be a fitness coach who works with busy moms, right? So it could be that. It could be lawyers if you're doing something specific for like marketing for lawyers, anything like that. You just call out your specific audience, okay? Next thing is scarcity. Scarcity means that you are offering this only to a very limited number of people. So you see right here, it's my mission to help 10 coaches. I picked a very specific number. I cannot help everybody because I have limited time and limited resources, as do you. So definitely make sure that you've got that element of scarcity and show that there is a limited amount of people who are able to get in on this. Method. So mention your vehicle. So this is going to be different for every industry or whatever type of coach or type of consultant you are. So for me, the client's path is going to be through their high-ticket coaching business. So they'll be using their high-ticket coaching business, or they'll be operating their high-ticket coaching business to get the $20,000 in their bank account per month, right? So for you, it might be, if you're a fitness coach, it might be something like fasting and cyclical keto, right? So, yours, for example, would be, it's my mission to help 10 busy moms drop 10 pounds with fasting and cyclical keto in the next 45 days. I'm just making that up. I don't know what's realistic, but you want to mention your unique vehicle so that creates intrigue and interest from the right people. Right? Okay, third thing or final thing is time frame. So you say in the next 3 months, right? Just pick a frame that's realistic. Okay? For me, honestly, most people do this like the first month. But before they work with me, they sometimes in their mind don't think that that's realistic. So I just give them, 3 months, right? But really, like most people end up doing this the first month or very latest, like the second month. So yeah, call to action, then that's the final thing. Just say who's with me. We just use those emojis, and that is literally it. So all people will start commenting who are interested. And yeah, that is the exact post that made Kara $18,000. That one, quote unquote, again, in her words, stupid little post, right? It's very unassuming, very simple. Anybody can write this. You can write this too. However, there is, of course, more to it. You want to know the foundations that go into making this be a huge cash generating machine, and also all the follow-up process that turns the people who comment on this post or engage on this post into paying clients in the door. Okay, so again, this is something that I only give to my private clients. So if you're interested, definitely reach out, book a call. We'll be happy to chat with you, see if it's a good fit for us to work together. And of course, it is definitely not cheap to do that. Okay, it's definitely not cheap. It's a significant investment to work with me. However, as you can see, most people make way more than the investment just from literally one Facebook post. Think about the ROI. Kara did it, made 18 grand from this one simple post. All right, guys, this has been Nico Moreno. Have a fantastic day, and see you in the next video.